This video, we're not going to be working on one of my cars. We're going to be helping Scottie out. And I'm going to take him a set of coilovers in the BMW Christmas car, which Izzy put lights on the first day it was put back on the road. I don't know why, but I tend to, for some reason, drive my drift car as a winter beater, which is like the most opposite thing you would ever want to do. But it's back on the road again. So we're going to jump in the BMW. And if it makes it all the way out to town, then we're going to take him a set of coilovers. And if it doesn't make it, then this video will cut to whatever issues I run into, because the BMW is, I don't trust the BMW. So we actually made it all the way here. A Christmas delivery inside the BMW. Yeah, I'm not that great at the whole YouTube thing. It's basically all the same stuff that came in the other kit. It's just you got the blue ones, which of course on the blue car I put yellow struts on. Yeah, those need to go on at the bottom of the front. Going on right here. Yeah, and you even get your own set of coilover keys, which you probably already have from one of the other cars. Yeah, these little guys.
More never hurts, though.
I don't know what the washers are for. I didn't use them on mine. But yeah, this guy goes over here. I don't know, though, if your knuckles are bigger or smaller.
I don't know.
Because mine were smaller, so I ended up putting them on. Probably put that on upside down.
Pretty sure the EG ones are, yeah, it should go.
They should be the same.
The collar up so that you can actually slide it on.
But yeah, just you ended up with the blue ones, and I ended up with the orange ones. Yeah. That's all you need, and then you just don't need to rub the shit out of the tires, so coilovers are the way to go. Yeah. Back to OEM. OEM, but lower.
That's why I bought the hot drink, because it was near impossible to get nuts on.
Yeah.
Because they don't fucking fit right.
Fronts are in a good spot. Scottie's just adjusting the back. Oh, that's much better.
That's way better.
Yeah, way better. There's actually a little bit of wheel gap that kind of matches the front. I'm sure once the front's down, like, it's all going to move a good amount.
Yeah, and these are set on full hard, so it shouldn't really go down.
Full hard. Where'd the lug nuts go?
Yeah, they're right there.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't do it.
Oh, you know what? They're already in there.
It's not just one missing, it's all four missing.
I know. Is there 8 over there?
No, there's just 4 over here.
Oh, the dummy.
I think it looks better already, just hanging in the air. I should have robbed the blue springs off it though.
The wrenches fit pretty nice too. I like that.
Yeah, they're nice to have. Like even the ones off the BMW, the older ones, still use them like every time I adjust coilovers until I got the new set for dads. And like at the track, people are always borrowing them and shit. They work on like every pair of coilovers.
Yeah, that's
mint,
nice.
so.
Yeah, it's nice when you only have to worry, like when you find a good set and they work on multiple.
Oh yeah, they just live their life in the glove box. Backs a little bit, but
That's perfect, dude.
yeah, no, that's decent.
It's gonna settle a half an inch.
I bet the front's gonna settle more than the back. The back's white. So yeah, that's Integra done, I guess.
Pretty much, yeah.
Until next year. Sand it down and paint it or something.
Maybe we'll see. It's kind of cool the way it is too.
I like how it is. It's just, I don't know. It's one of those things where it's if you know what it is, it's really cool, and if you don't, it's just another sedan out in the road. Yeah, a piece of shit like beater Honda on the road.
It's got Innovate mounts.
Oh, but it drops it down just not enough, and you had to grind that the fork to get the axle through it.
I did, yeah. I also had to dent the frame rail a little bit because the trans is touching it.
Is it?
Not anymore, but it was.
Oh, that's... Yeah, this thing, like, it's crazy how much bigger that actually looks than, like, a B16 swap. Like, it looks the same, but just bigger. But no, that's an awesome setup. And then, yeah, you were saying EK prop valve.
EK 4040 prop valve. I forget what kit, the softline kit it is.
Is it Chase Bays?
It's not Chase Bay. I might know something like that.
I like that you actually keep notes of it because, like...
Andrew did and then sent them to me.
I genuinely have, like, forgotten things that I've done to my own car over the years.
Finish line, brake line kit replaced.
Oh, yeah? I'll have to look into it. Like I said, I kind of want to do it to Dad's car. Like, those are just better brake lines.
So, yeah, the fronts are ITR calipers, Mini Cooper rotors, and TSX brake pads. The rears are ITR calipers, EP3 rotors with ITR brake pads.
That's interesting. I never thought of EP3 rotors. I wonder if the EP3 rotors would fit Dad's then.
Well, it should. Everything, it's the exact same.
Yeah.
Right? So,
But I never thought that literally my 2002 Civic would be interchangeable with Dad's.
yeah, well, as long as it's a 4-bolt one.
Yeah, they're all 4-bolt. I eventually want to change the EP3 to 5-bolt, but that's awesome. And then that one's a Maxpeedingrod shifter as well.
Yeah, Maxpeedingrod shifter.
That's such a fancy, like, just shifter box.
I know, right? The stock one looks like crap.
Yeah.
NRG quick release.
And you're just gonna try to autocross this more than anything,
Pretty
right?
much, yeah. I just want to relive those Honda days, you know.
That's basically what I want to do with Dad's. That's why I want to do a B16 and not like a K swap. I know you want to go K eventually with this thing, but
Yeah, once this blows up or whatever happens to it, then I'll go K.
you can almost see it. Almost looks like it's like higher on the transmission side.
I think it is a little bit.
That's probably why the axle sits how it does. Oh, this is such an awesome. Back in the day, though, they didn't even do H22 swaps that much. Everyone did B16s and B18s and.
Not a common swap, especially in an Integra.
And Integra 4-door is that.
Most Integras just stay B. You don't even see too many K swap Integras.
Remember like learning like all the distributor differences and how to like screw around, rebuild them all back in the day. And then when I was doing dads, like even the injectors, I was like, I don't even remember what injectors I can use. I just everything. I just blanked on everything when I put that car back together.
The RDX injectors in it. I think they're like 440s or something.
Oh yeah.
From the RDX.
More than
It's
enough.
turbo. The RDX is turbo, right?
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's more than enough for because this. What's it making? Like 230?
Makes 190 wheel.
Oh yeah.
So probably about 230. Yeah.
It probably has a lot of torque though too, because it's
It drives like it rips pretty good.
it's such a much bigger block than the other ones.
Like it's like coming from like the Volkswagens, like turbo car. It's not like a disappointment.
Yeah.
Like you step in it.
We have to do videos on your Volkswagens at some point.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Anytime.
especially when the weather's nicer and we're not like
Yeah.
backed into a corner where we just rush through everything.
It's straight pipe.
It wasn't super loud when you flew past me though. Are you gonna start it in the shop?
Oh yeah.
As soon as it gets fuel pressure. Does it have a limiter on it?
Yeah.
Really?
6,000.
Yeah, by the black water that comes out of it, you can tell it runs a little rich. Those brakes are better. It's so weird driving the Integra again. I've been in one of these since like Darren's.
If you want to just turn down, like, maybe not this street, the next one or something. I know.
I miss these old Hondas. It feels like so cute. So like usual, I just filmed a bunch of things and kind of edited together and didn't really make an outro. So I'm making this outro here to kind of say like thanks to Maxpeedingrods again for sending us another set of coils for the EG that we could use for Scottie's Integra. Huge shout out to them, and if you're interested in a set for yourself, like always, the discount code is in the description below along with the link to the page to their website. And then also a huge thanks to Scottie for putting the windshield in Dad's EG. And then obviously this kind of worked out to help Scottie out in return. And then all the glass work he's done for me over the years. He's done the hatch glass in the 240, and now he's done the hatch glass in the 8.6 as well during all this. I might save a lot of that for an actual 8.6 video later on, but I really want to make a video out of it. And then another huge shout out to Scottie just for the general fact of giving me more motivation to do this, and just generally like kick my ass to film a little bit more like a lot of other vloggers out there like Prism Mike and all the rest of them that are like huge inspirations to keep me filming. But yeah, it's basically an outro and a huge thanks, and just generally if you guys like it or have suggestions and all that and what you want to see more. I want to do more stuff with Scottie. He's got some really cool Volkswagens that I think would be really cool videos. And I really hope Scottie starts a channel too. He seems pretty motivated to just film things. I know I'm pretty camera shy and all the other things that come with it. No, I'm no Prism Mike or Jimmy Oaks and all those other guys. So it's really cool that people have been watching this. And I hope that people are interested in the Integra, because to me anyways, the Integra is super cool. Andrew did a lot of the work to it and then sold it to Scottie, but an H22 swapped 4-door Integra isn't really a very common build around here. So it's pretty cool that it's out there. It's kind of a sleeper in a way. But anyways, I'll just keep rambling on like I normally do in the videos. So I just wanted to kind of make this as an outro and kind of say like, subscribe, and let me know what more you want to see. I want to do more stuff with the BMW eventually, but it is what it is. Whatever I start working on next, I'll film it and I'll bring you guys along with it. But like, subscribe, and comment below, and see you on the next one, I guess.